starting in Asian mood thanks to the folks at Lee Kum Kee. I have some simple vegetables, Brussels sprouts, carrots, and some snow pea. Finely chopped ginger to that, minced garlic. So you don't have to chop up no garlic. Just really run it through the heat and you're good to go. And I have some pork loins and I am just searing just for about a minute or two on either side. I have a Chinese barbecue sauce from Lee Kum Kee. I want to pull together a glaze, good old Trini green seasoning, fresh ginger, a little rice wine vinegar, just a touch of water and a little brown sugar. Mix that together and glaze it in the oven 10 to 12 minutes and do a final glaze. The rest them there. Chinese barbecue pork loins.
Bursting with that oriental flavor but not compromising the original taste of the veggies. And the barbecue sauce that you created, I've never had anything like that.
Thanks to the folks at Lee Kum Kee for making it possible.